We've all seen pictures of devastating wildfires destroying lives, houses, and businesses, but now there could be a better way to predict power failures that can spark those fires. Days, weeks, or sometimes months before they happen. KETK's Wes Rapaport right now introducing us to the Texas researcher behind the project. Wes.
Neil, think of this technology as somewhat of a cutting-edge tool in the toolbox, if you will, developed in College Station, Texas, and now being tested to work in sync with different parts of power systems. And it will soon be tested in parts of the country that are the most prone to wildfires, like the West Coast. When conditions are fit for flames, some utility companies pull the plug on entire communities to avoid power lines sparking and torching towns.
It waits till the bad thing happens, then they go cut off the power, find it, fix it, turn the power back on.
All that could change.
This device has the potential of saving lives and property in a very big way.
Dr. Don Russell and his research team at Texas A&M developed what's called distribution fault anticipation, or DFA.
Before a catastrophic failure on the utility system, there is a precursor.
DFA hooks up to power systems to identify failures and alert the power company.
It looks continually at the circuit and says, I want to see the very earliest stages of a failure so that I can tell an operator, you need to go find and fix this, so that you avoid a downed line or someone getting electrocuted later because there's a line on the ground or a fire started.
Russell started working on this in the 1970s. After the fires in Bastrop, Texas 8 years ago, the most destructive fires in Texas history, the state approved funding for this wildfire prevention research. Now 2 major California companies are testing the tech, Southern California Edison and Pacific Gas and Electric.
If we can stop just one major wildfire, you're talking hundreds of millions of dollars in some cases.
Now, a spokesperson for PG&E tells me the technology is installed and they will test it in a trial period through the end of July. Meanwhile, Southern California Edison plans to start testing DFA next month. And according to Texas A&M University, researchers are planning to test the technology in both Australia and New Zealand soon. Reporting live in Austin, I'm Wes Rapaport, KETK News.